Please click the subscribe button and press that bell icon. Hello, welcome to another video from Random Shashi. In this video I am going to show you how to create your own simple Android app. First, open your browser and go to appsgeyser.com. The link to the website is given in the description. Now click the Create Now for Free button. There are several options like Messenger, Browser, Games, etc. I am going to choose Website and create an app for my ringtones website. First enter the URL of your website, and click the Go button. Click the phone screen in the website to see the preview of the app. Now, select the color theme of your app. Then click Next. Now enter the name of your app, and click Next, and enter a matching description. Now upload a custom logo for your Android app. And click the Create App button. Click Register and create a new free account. Click Sign Up. Go to your email and verify your account. After that you can download your created app. Click the Download button. Wait for the app to build. You only have to do this once. Now copy the APK to your Android phone, and install it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.